That's pretty clean oil. So confused. So a total of about 5 quarts came out. I grabbed a second pan because I saw the first one filling up really quickly and I didn't know the exact capacity, but yeah, seems to be about 5 quarts total. Not a whole lot of coolant. Not sure why it's the color of dirt. Interesting. Spinning forward. Spinning forward. Hello, limited slip. Nice to meet you. Oh yeah. Man, these poor Webers have seen better days. That's for sure. Oh well. Fortunately, these are, I believe, very straightforward, and there's lots of parts available for them. So awesome. So I'm done disconnecting all the easy stuff. The water lines, fuel lines, electrical, oil lines, and took the carbs out. Next, I gotta disconnect the axles, the shift linkage, and the motor mounts, and I think this engine will come out. Hello. See that big giant hole there? There's supposed to be a bolt there holding the engine to the transmission, and it was missing. Real nice. Look at this cool transmission mount. It's just a block of aluminum. You know, some things on this car were really well thought out, like the roll cage and the front shock towers, the way they're all tied in together. And some things not so much, like this non-serviceable one-piece welded exhaust that has no joints in the middle so that you can slip the header out of the collector in order to be able to remove the engine without dropping the entire exhaust. But that's okay. We're gonna change that. We're gonna improve all that stuff. Things are getting pretty serious here. Took the engine out thanks to my neighbor who let me borrow his awesome hoist. But yeah, let's get this thing separated from the gearbox and onto the engine stand so that we can start to take it apart and see what goodies we got going on inside. See how heavy this gearbox is? I think it should just come off. Hello. I think there's no more bolts holding it on. That's a clutch. All right, and a flywheel. How heavy is this thing? It's about the same weight as a 915 gearbox. Okay, well, shove this under the car for now. We'll play with it later. Grab my engine stand. Hello.
You got a lot going on there.
I do.
Might as well have something to do.
Exactly.
Oh, you're already there.
All right, just in time to shove this in the corner and break down the hoist. But yeah, it's on here. I'm excited to start digging through here and see what kind of good stuff we find inside the block. Boy, it is getting way crowded in here, but I think I can manage. And it's gonna start to get a little more exciting. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.